Good morning, dear students. Last time we had to complete exercise 14.2 up to question number 2. Now we will start question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So we have to find mean and mode of given data. Here monthly expenditure and number of families are given. Here total number of families are 200. So here we have to write down 200. So first of all we have to find mean of given data. So again I will repeat, for finding mean there will total 3 methods. First method will be a direct method. We have to use direct method where fi, the value of fi and the value of xi will be less. Okay, so here the value of fi will be large, so we have to apply assuming method or step deviation method. So we have to apply a step deviation method. So first of all we have to find mean value of given class. So first we have to find xi, mean value. It is denoted by xi. So third column will be xi. So the formula for finding mean value is xi is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So we have to check in first class lower limit will be 1000 and upper limit will be 1500. So 1000 plus 1500 divided by 2. So 200 and 500, 2500 divided by 2. So 1750. Sorry, 1000 plus 1500 divided by 2. So 1250. Okay. Now we have to check class length are same or not. Okay. So first of all here class length n is equals to 500. Second class length will be again 500 because 1500 to 2000. So again n equals to 500. So here we can observe one thing, class length will be same. So we have to find xi by using addition of class length simply. So we have to add 500 to above xi. So 1250 1250 plus 500. So 1750. Again we have to add 500. So 2250. Again we have to add 500. So 22 plus 5 27. So 2750. Next again we have to add 500. So 27 plus 5 32. So 3250. Again we have to add 500. So 3750. Again we have to add 500. So 37 plus 5 42. So 4250. And again we have to add 500. So 4750. So again I will repeat, here the value of fi and xi will be large. So we have to apply step deviation method. So next column will be ui. So ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. H is the class length of given class. So first of all we have to suppose a. So here we have to suppose a is equal to here there will number of classes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there will be 2 classes are in between. So we have to suppose a is equal to 2750 or 3250. So we have to suppose a equals to 2750. So next column ui. So the value of ui of a will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next column is fi ui. Fi into ui. So we have to multiply ui with frequency. So now we have to multiply 24 into minus 3. So answer will be negative. So 24 into minus 3. So minus 72. Okay. Next 40 into minus 2. So again answer will be negative. So 4 2s are 8. So minus 80. Next 33 into minus 1. So again the value is negative. So minus 33. Next 28 into 0. Because we have to multiply fi with ui. So 28 into 0. So answer will be 0. Next 30 into 1. 30. Next 22 into 2. 44. Next 16 into 3. So 48. Next 7 into 4. 28. Next we have to find addition of fi and fi ui. Okay, so first we have to find sigma fi ui. So first of all we have to find addition of negative numbers, then find addition of positive numbers, and then subtract. Okay, so addition of negative numbers is here 2 plus 3 5, and here 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 3 18, so 185. Okay, let's find out addition of positive numbers. So here 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, so 0 2 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 2 15, so 150. Now we have to subtract from 185. So here I have minus 185 plus 150, here 150 is equal to, what is the answer? We have to subtract. So 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 5 3, and 1 minus 0, so minus 35 is equal to sigma fi ui. Okay, because 185 will be large and is negative, so answer will be negative. Now we have to list out. So first of all write down step derivation method. So first we have to find step derivation method. So here 200 is equals to n, because number of observations are 200. So first of all we will write down n is equals to 200 sigma fi ui is equals to minus 35. The value of a is equals to 2750. Class length will be 500. So h is equals to 500. Now we have to apply method of mean. So write down x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui divided by n multiplied by h. Now putting the value of n sigma fi ui n h. So the value of a is 2750 plus, but the value of sigma fi ui will be negative. So minus 35 divided by the value of n will be 200 multiplied by 500. Here 0 0 cancel out. So 2750 minus 35 by 2. So simply we will divide 35 by 2. So divide half of 35. So 17.5. So here 17.5 multiplied by 5. So is equal to 2750 minus 35 into 5 divided by 2. So answer will be 87.5. So here 87.5 is equal to, now we have to subtract from 2750. So answer will be 2662.5. It gives mean number of expenditure. Is it clear? Next, same question, question number 3. Also, we have to find mode. Okay. So, first of all, we have to find out model class. Okay. So, highest frequency of given class, it is called a model class. So, here we have to check the highest frequency will be 40. So, 1500 to 2000, it is called a model class. Model class. Okay. So here write down here highest or maximum frequency. Highest or maximum? Maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 40. So model class. So model class is 1500 to 2000. Okay, so we have to use model class and find the values of f1, f0, f2. Frequency of the model class is called f1. Precising of the model class frequency is called f0, and succeeding class of model class it is called f2, and lower limit of the model class it is called L. So the value of L will be 1500, the value of f1 is 40, the value of f0 is 24, and the value of f2 will be 33. So write down L is equal to lower limit of the model class is equal to 1500. F1 is equal to frequency of model class is equal to 40. F0 is equal to frequency of class presiding the model class is equal to 24, and F2 is equal to frequency of class succeeding the model class. Succeeding the model class is equal to 33. Now we have to use the formula of mode is denoted by Z. So Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H is equal to the value of A is 1500. So here I down 1500 plus F1 minus F0. So F1 minus F0, 40 minus 24. So write down 40 minus 24 divided by 2F1. So we have directly multiplied by 2. So 40 2s are 80 minus F0. So the value of F0 will be 24 minus 33. 24 minus 33 into class length will be 500. H equals to 500. So here write down multiply by 500 is equals to 1500 plus 40 minus 24. So 6 plus 10 16 divide by 80 minus. We have to add negative numbers. So 4 plus 3 7 and 2 plus 3 5. So 57 multiplied by 500. Now we have to subtract from 80. So 80 minus 57. So here I know 1500 as it is plus 16 divided by here 57. So 23. So 23 multiplied by 500. Okay, now simplify of mod. So here 1500 as it is, plus here we have to multiply by 500 because no terms are cancelled out. So 16 5s are 80. So 8000 divided by 23. So answer will be 347.83. Now we have to add in 1500. So answer will be 1847. So Z is equal to, so mod is 1847.83. Is it clear? No doubt. So final answer of question number 3 is x bar is equal to 2662.5 and Z is equal to 1847.83 rupees. Is it clear?